Okay. Got like the sun going on behind me. Oh, there it is. Cool. So, finally, here's what we've got. Destined Rivals. So, I guess this is New Age Team Rocket. Yeah, there's Giovanni. There's someone that I don't recognize. There are a bunch of goons that I don't recognize. Look, I'm old. Like, the only thing that I can recognize here is the boss. That's about it. Boss and Mewtwo. I don't even know what the other shit, and Coughing and Arbok. I don't know anything else on this. I know none. I know nothing. Nothing. So, I'm going to open this very carefully. Now, see, this is like one of these packs. Now, when you go and you buy one of these booster bundles, right? You want, like, this kind. If you're going, you know, you ideally want this type. Because you see these sides and also the length. It keeps the cards from messing up, from getting destroyed. They apparently didn't get the memo when they did these, but whatever. So far, these bundles have been having some really, actually pretty decent pulls. And honestly, it's not designed. This wasn't designed with the idea that lunatics like myself and probably you would be collecting this shit. I mean, yeah, it was supposed, you know, it was meant to be like collectible, but they weren't expecting it to blow up the way it did. It's like every single tech geek out there, anyone with any kind of STEM know-how, basically got into this. And people learn math using this game. It was actually quite profound with what they've done. It's honestly pretty cool. Okay. Let's read this. Honestly, this is too cringe for me to read. Or I'm just lying and I don't know how to read. That could be it too. Alright, so we've opened this up. See how they open up too, and like this. It's just... Okay, so I'm just gonna... So apparently what we're looking for, we've got these for art. So we got Bird Brain. We got Boss Guy. This guy like never outgrew like being the ultimate teenage edgelord. Like, come on, man. Then you got these goons. You got the obligatory bimbo. Another fucking bird. And another boss. So we got two Giovannis. So what should I open first? Should I open the bird? I'm gonna open the bird brain because you know what? I'm kind of partial to the other guy. So all right, let's see what we got. These packs are seemingly much easier to open. So like this. And then just kind of thumb it on the top. And it will open up a little bit. See, like that, you can see it. Kind of just use your finger to pull open like this. See, by a third one of these, I'm doing, or actually no, this is the fourth one of these, or no, fifth one of these that I'm doing. Third bundle that I'm doing. They're actually turning out pretty, you know, decent. I'm gonna open this. Might have a new full-time job I can apply for. I don't know. I'm kidding. I don't need that shit. What I do need is not to touch the fucking cards. That's interesting. That's actually really interesting. Oh, you might have been able to see that one. Alright, so we got the first pack open, and guess what? 2 hollows just pulled out. So we have a Zamazenta, whatever this is. It's a star, that you know, that's cool, and it's hollow. Not super, you know, not super hollow, but hollow. Then we got a really interesting one. Team Rocket's Crobat. And it's EX, and it's kind of like cooler artwork, I guess. Whatever this means. It's, I don't think it's that special. Because the art actually needs to do something. No. It needs to be like a bonus art for it to be really interesting. I mean, this is still a nice card, and it's also got some nice edges to it, but I don't know. To be really honest, I'm not... Let's see, there you go. Put this guy over here. Next, what happened to the other dude? Oh, that's where it went. Yeah, see, this is what happens. I make a mess of my area. See, this is how you handle the cards. Not like a fucking barbarian, where you're, like, you know, handling the front of it. Making it all kinds of, like, you know, leaving oil marks and stuff. Very gently on the outsides. Someone said use gloves, and I'm like, I'm not using fucking gloves for Pokemon cards, dude. Like, come on. It's not necessary. Called wash your hands after you use the bathroom, then you don't have to use gloves for your Pokemon. Like, come on, common sense. There, we got this basic fist energy. Yeah, instead of calling it fighting energy, they should call it fisting energy. That would have been hilarious. Considering it's from Japan, I'm actually surprised that they didn't screw up that translation and did it that way. Yeah, we got Metadite. It's like... Now we got this thing. I don't even know how people can make like a living doing this. It just, you know, like unboxing and doing content videos, that kind of thing. It's just, you know, you have to have so many freaking followers. You have to follow all kinds of rules. It's like, in my opinion, that's just annoying. You know, that was a talent. I mean, none of these are really that interesting. Like what? The Slugma thing? Oh no, it's not just any Slugma, it's Ethan's Slugma. Whoever the hell Ethan is. Yeah, some little kid goes and he's like, Mom, Dad, I got Ethan's Slugma. They go, whose Slugma? They ask, why do you steal it? You stole it from him? You know? That kind of crap. Scream at him for like 2 hours. You can't steal from people. Rapidash. Ability, Hurried Gait. Okay. That's cool, I guess. I don't know. We got Cynthia's Power Weight. Cynthia's Pokemon this card attached to gets 70 health points. Okay, well, what does that mean? Pikachu can take on a Charizard now? Magikarp actually beats Gyarados in a freaking match. Some shit like that. Alright, well, this looks like it could be another holo, but I don't think so. No, it's just Golbat. Oh, here's the other holo. So apparently, yeah, there are 3 holos in this deck. Or in this pack. Why did I say deck? Okay, here we go. Alright, so this Shroomish. The thing even looks fucking high. Seriously, it looks high. It's got these like little fang looking things. It's like, come on. So we got Shroomish, Zamazenta, and then Crobat. No, not just any Crobat. Team Rocket's Crobat. EX. Alright. Well, I'm going to put these over here. And then we'll do another unboxing. just to, you know, confirm stuff, confirm that the pack is actually legit and probably has some decent art in it. I don't know. As long as there's like 3 hollows, I think that it's a pretty good sign that it's a, you know, something that's decent. So, alright, well, we'll take care of the next one here. Hit like and subscribe. That's what people say, I guess. Just keep watching these. Alright, cool. Talk soon. Bye.